What up?
Hey, Enzo. Rolled in a little hot. Oh, sorry guys. Little hot.
Don't eat their almonds, buddy. Come on.
So my German Shepherd and this deer are over here grazing together.
Look how close they are. It's crazy. Now that right there is how you start a video. That's the second time that's ever happened. I'm so glad I caught that on camera for you guys. Did you see that little buck like playing with Enzo or whatever he was doing? That was so cool. He was interacting with my German Shepherd like he was another deer almost. It was so crazy to see them get that close. They come around so often and they're around Enzo so much that many of the deer aren't really afraid of him anymore, and they let him get super close. The first time I ever saw the deer like paw at him with his front hoof like that, it was here in the front, and I caught it on my Instagram story. But this today was the second time I caught it, and I got it here on the good camera. For whatever reason, that little buck and Enzo, they interact like that. It's super cool. The dog would never hurt the deer. Enzo was very well trained, and that is how you kick off a video. Awesome. Team nature, baby, all day. Texas is a magical place, man, and I'm super blessed to live here. Alright dudes, I don't know where we are in this video up to this point, but I do know that I just got a fresh pack from the land, so we're gonna go ahead and crack off into this right now. If you guys watched my recent video, you saw where I talked to you about some of these new frames that we're about to drop, and got some more of those bad boys in right here. We're gonna take a look at them right now. The new camo heat from Waterland. Also, freaking jungle cloth. I'm stoked on this. Stand by more on that here in just a second, but I got some heat in this box, boys. The new frame styles and lens colors from Waterland. Angler-born, quality-built, polarized fishing optics. The best shades I've ever worn. These right here, the water woods. Check them out. The blue mirrored lenses. Let's check them out. My first look at these bad boys right here. Dude, those blue lenses on that camo, little orange accent there. Let's check them out. My guy, bruh, straight heat. I ain't mad at it. Waterwood, Ashers with the blue lenses. All right, that's pair one. As always, when you get your Waterlands, you're getting a nice zip up hard case and the cool little microfiber cloth. This next pair right here, these are the ones I'm most excited about. I think out of this little set that I got 3 pairs here to show you guys, plus the jungle cloth. These right here, these are the Asher Ops camo with the green mirrored lenses. These are the ones dude, these are so sick. Straight Desert Storm style. I like the orange Waterland for the accent on the sides. These are the green mirrored lenses, the Ops Camo Ashers. Normally I rock the Hybros. Ashers I didn't have too many of, so I wanted to pick some up. These right here, I'm stoked on these, dude. You guys are gonna see me rocking these for sure. I love the style on these new camos. Durable, lightweight, scratch resistant, most of all, Aquaman Vision. Waterlandco.com JR15 is gonna give you 15% off these bad boys if you guys are interested in checking out the same sunglasses that I use every day I'm out there fishing. Waterlandco.com JR15. Thank you guys for the love and support. Here's the last pair right here. If you guys wanna go big and you wanna get some supremely high quality glass lenses, Waterland has you covered. They got the glass too, this right here. Like I said, I wanted to scoop some of those Ashers, so I got me some Ashers with the glass lenses. Let's check these bad boys out. Can't remember if they're green or blue. They're green. You can see right up there, it says W Glass. Waterland proprietary glass lenses. Money. All right, man, I just wanted to crack these open and show you guys the sunglasses really quick. I'm stoked on the Asher frames. I really don't know why I wasn't already rocking these. Out of everything we got today, I think these right here are my favorite. These are the Ops Camo Ashers with the green lenses. You guys check those bad boys out. Here's another look at the Waterwoods with the blue. Man, they got a style and a color for everybody. No matter what your preference, no matter what your taste, Waterland has got you covered. One more time, JR15, 15% off, guys. That's a good little chunk of savings, so I don't want you to forget that code. It's also an excellent way to support the channel. It helps us keep this whole thing running. So thank you guys for the love and support. Shout outs to Waterland as well for keeping us stocked up with the best shades in the game. Check out this jungle cloth. Sunglasses cleaner, but also, aside from the glasses, you can use this bad boy right here to clean your graphs on the boat. So I will have this Waterland Fishing Optics jungle cloth on hand at all times. Keep my lenses looking shiny, keep my graphs on the boat clean. Shout outs to Waterland, man. Check them out. All right, guys. Now, I know this video's sort of been all over the place, and I appreciate you for making it this far, and I assure you, you are going to be rewarded as promised. As the thumbnail and title would suggest, we are going to head out onto the water in this video and smash them on Topwater upriver. It's just a good old-fashioned fun fishing mission with your boy, Jay Royal. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. We're going to be out there on the water, and I'll see you guys back in here in the garage to wrap this sucker up. First cast on the point with the crube, dude. The crube. That's that new from 6 cents right there. First cast up on the point. Boom. He hit it quick too. Not a bad one. That's the way to start the day. On the bottom, they wouldn't hit the reaction baits, man. All right, later, little dude. All right, fishing this crube on a little 3/0 EWG, 6 cents pitch black tungsten weight, pegged. This is that crawfish crunch color. That little dude smoked it, quick like. Twice. There we go. Topwater hit up. Get tired, bro. I'm not letting you freaking hunger bust me, man. You done got hunger busted. You're unhooked, bro. You're free as can be. Thanks for the fight. Thanks for the hit. That was cool. Topwater smash. He hit it twice. All I need to see. Catwalk, engage. Caught a 9-pounder on this bait a couple videos back. If you guys want to see that, go check it out. It was awesome. It was actually like the most awesome. One of the coolest things ever. Freaking 9-pounder on a Topwater. Come on, buddy. Right here again in front of the boat, another one. Like two in a row. A little better fish too. Yeah, they're chasing this thing up and smoking it. Topwater time.
And they're fired up too, man. These fish are mean. That's a little bit better one. He hit it right in front of the boat. He's getting full, getting healthy. Oh, sorry, buddy. Let her, dude. Let's do some more of that. I haven't even moved the boat. I'm just like pitching right over here off the side and walking this thing back. Since we know there are more fish down there, let's do a little test to see if they'll eat a crawfish too, or they're just kind of keyed in on bait fish. Say no more. Catwalk it is. You ain't gotta tell me twice, boys. Let's get it. There's one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Fish number 4 is a good one. It bit me. The sucker bit me. Dude, you know what? This fish, it's probably all in my head. It looks familiar. All right. It's not a bad one right there. Came right off the boulder. Absolutely smoked it. Pretty fish. One last look at that guy. Best one on the day. Later, dude. 4 is more. Best one on the day. Absolutely crushed the catwalk. And they're on the top water. So we've only gone 10 yards. She was sitting right over there. Bloop. Freaking blooped it. Blorped it. I blooped it. She blorped it, bro. That one hit it twice too. It's another decent one. Johnny 5 is alive. He's a jumper. Time to do the boogie. That's a little bit nicer fish even maybe. Top water. Got up in the top water. Yeah, Johnny 5 is alive. Number 5, another decent 2 tree pounder. He splashed me. Absolutely smoked the top water. Twice. Hit it twice. When they hit it twice, it's twice as nice. Double your pleasure, double your fun. Double dragging. Off the boulder. Skadoosh off the boulder, son. Squap, squap, squap. This catwalk was squapping and chopping, and that bass could not resist. Hit it, and then came back, skirt, put the brakes on, hit it again. Hit it, missed it, hit it, got it. Hit it, missed it, hit it, got it. That's an okay formula. As long as they come back and get it on that second one, that's okay. If they hit it and miss it, that's kind of a bummer. At least you gotta look at them, but they hit it, miss it, come back, hit it again and get it. Oh, that's just stupid good. That's like, haha, you're dumb twice. So real quick, I'll break down the setup for you guys. A lot of you guys probably already know the gear that I'm using for this, but this is my 6'9" medium moderate heater series rod. This is a prototype, so it looks a little different, but this is the heater series. 50-pound braid, straight braid, straight to the bait. Corrado DC. That's it, dude. I feel like there's gotta be a fish over here by this boulder. Gotta be, right? It's too good of a spot. There he is. Had to get over there a little bit further. Number 6 in the mix on the catwalk, dude. 6 in the mix on the catwalk. This fish ate it 3 times. I stopped it, and that's when he finally got it. I knew he was barely hooked. I stopped it. He came up and hit it for a 3rd time and hooked himself. These fish are so on this catwalk right now, it's unreal. I thought there was no way he's gonna eat it again. And when I stopped it, he did. He blasted it for a 3rd time. Too cool. There we go, another one. A little bit further out in open water, he hit it. This will be number 6 in the mix, or whatever it is. I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a quad. Beautiful Guadalupe bass, man. Heck yeah. As the boat goes blowing by us. Fish are so fired up in the springtime. You gotta be super careful with these treble hook baits, dudes. Especially with these quads, these little buck bass, the younger ones, dude. They're just, they want nothing but to, they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. And they want nothing more than to do it. Little guaddy boy on the catwalk. How y'all doing? All right, brother, how you doing?
You hitting that top water well?
Yeah, they're eating it pretty good. Yeah. Oh, he spit. Drag was just a little bit too loose. Trying to find that sweet spot. That's 2 fish that'll come off on us. That'd have been like 8 in the boat if we hadn't biffed it, but they're still eating it, so that's cool. At least it wasn't a monstro. It was a couple pounds, but it wasn't a monstro. Another little yeeter on the catwalk. He freaking annihilated it too. Another one. It's a pretty looking fish, man. He's gonna be healthy when he gets big. He's gonna be healthy when he gets big. That one hit it out there in open water, kinda. Let's try the chatter cricket. See if they'll hit this. How many fish are we gonna miss? That one freaking blasted the jackhammer. Make a little adjustment here. I'm gonna keep throwing the top water, but I wanna have the Cheeto as a backup. I haven't thrown this thing in a while. I think they might eat it up here. Springtime lake spawn / post spawn top water hitter fighter. Here, buddy. That little dude hit right off the Nice. Another little springtime top water chunker on the catwalk. One of my favorite ways to catch them, dudes. There it is, guys. The catwalk smoke from 6 Cents Fishing. You know the deal. 6centsfishing.com, JR10 for 10% off your entire order. It's my favorite topwater walking style bait right there. They have that color available in stock right now, and that's another springtime smasher. Later, buddy. Still going. The chunk. Later, buddy. Took me a few tries, but I finally got him to come back up and slip up. It's one of the chunkier ones. They're eating that catwalk, man. You already know, one of the most fun baits you can throw, that catwalk smoke. All right, let's get us another one. That was so cool. What up? Got recognized by the homies, yo.
All right, and there that was, man. That was a fun topwater fishing mission. No bigs, but hey, you know me, I ain't shedding no tear over that. I still have fun out there on the water, and I hope you did too. As always, you know the deal. 6th Sense Fishing, 6thsensefishing.com, Waterland, waterlandco.com, JR10, JR15. Shout outs to the Heater Army. You guys are amazing. The Heater Army grows with every video. If you want to learn more about that, really easy. Go down below the video, click that join button. You'll find out everything you need to know. But shout outs to everybody who has already done that. You guys are amazing. But that's about all I got for you today. That about does it. That about wraps her on up. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, but I'll see you on the next one. Later.